Hello guys, welcome to my next YouTube tutorial of data structures. So today I'm going to tell you how we can demonstrate a program for queue using linked list. So for that, let's start a Turbo C++ application. In this, I have already created a file and I'm just going to show you how we can write a program for queue using linked list. I'll be explaining you the program. So here I'll go to file and I'll open that file, that is qull.c. The extension of the file is .c as it is a C program. So you can see here this is the program here. So let's start with the explanation part. So first of all, there are two header files that I have included, that is stdio.h and conio.h. So next there are three functions, that is void insert and void delete and void display. So these are the three operations which we'll be doing on queue using linked list. So now here you can see I have created a node using the variable called struct. Okay, so now in that there are two declarations that I have done, that is int data and struct node star next. So one is your data and one is the link of your next node. So next, after this I've created star front is equal to null and star rear is equal to null. So in queue, obviously there are front and rear ends, so both are the pointers here and both are equal to null right now. So here you can see here now I have started my main program. So in main program you can see int choice and value. So these are the two variables that I have declared, choice and value. Now I am using CLR here used to clear the output screen each and every time. Now here you can see I am printing queue implementation using linked list. So while one means while true. So first printf insert delete. So we'll be displaying the options or the operations which we can perform on the queue. So now we'll be asking the user to enter your choice. So this choice will be read using scanf function. Now after reading the choice, so we'll use switch cases. So once the choice is selected, we'll go to switch case. So what's the first case here? So first case is printf enter the value to be inserted. So we'll be if we want to insert something, so we have to insert the value. This will be printed there and that value will be read and it will be inserted. Now next it will break and we'll go to case 2. Now if now your second case is delete, so it will delete that particular node and it will break. If you have chosen display, means 3, so it will display the content and it will break. If you have chosen 4, it will exit and default. If you have chosen 5, like the number which does not exist for the options, so it will print default, that wrong selection, please try again. Now here we'll close this main program, while loop and everything. So now we'll be writing the body for the we will be writing the body for our functions which we created in the starting. So first one is void insert and int value. It is a parameterized function. So now you can see we are structing a new node. We are making a new node using struct. So that is new node. So new node will be allocating the memory using malloc dynamic function. So struct node star malloc size of struct node. So this is how you give a memory to a node, like a space. Now new node of data is equal to value. So whatever the value will be entering, it will be in the new node of data. And new node next is equal to null. So currently there is no next node, so that's why the next will be null. So the link of the next node will be null. If front is equal to null, so what if the value of front is equal to null? So front is equal to rear is equal to new node. So all the three will be pointing to this first node, front, rear and new node. Else rear of next is equal to new node. So it will be directing rear of next to new node, and now rear will be your new node. Printf insertion is successful. Now your next function, that is void delete. So if front is equal to null, so what if the value of front is equal to null, you will be writing queue is empty. So if it's null, it means queue is empty, queue has nothing, so you cannot delete anything. Else if there is something, it will be struct node temp is equal to front. So we'll be creating a temporary node, that is start temp, and it will be pointing towards the front. So front is equal to front of next. Now we will be incrementing front. So front is equal to front of next. So printf deleted element is equal to %d, that is temp of data. So whatever the data is in that temporary node, that data will be deleted, and that temporary node will be freed, like that memory will be freed which was taken by the temp node. Now void display, the third option. If front is equal to null, it means queue is empty. Again, if you want to display anything and if your queue is empty, you cannot display a single thing. So else struct node start temp is equal to front. So again we are taking a temporary node, that is start temp, for displaying. So while temp is equal to temp of next is not equal to null. So temp of next means the link of the next node should not be null while it is not null. So what it will do, printf %d temp of data. Now it will print temp of data, and now it will increment to temp of next, means it will move to the next node. So here we are just basically incrementing the temp. So we'll be writing here printf %d temp of data. Why we are writing printf %d temp of data is, while you said while your temp of next is not equal to null. If there is if there is no null, means there is a next node, then you have to follow this while loop. If this while loop is false, it will directly print that single node which will be present in the queue, that is print %d temp of data. So this was the end of your program. So this is how you write your program for queue using linked list in data structures. So let's run this program. So as you can see here, there are no errors, so it is directly moved to the output screen. If you have any doubts or any errors coming, you can just ask in the comment section. So now we'll be entering a choice. So first we'll enter 1. So it is asking enter the value to be inserted. So I'll enter 45. Now insertion is successful, you can see here. Now again I'll insert. So value inserted, value need to be inserted is 23. Now again I'll insert. So that is 67. So now if you want to display all these three values, I am entering your choice 3. So you can see here, after entering choice 3, 45, 23 and 67, it is showing all the three elements. So what if I want to delete the element? So I'll give my choice as 2, and after entering, you can see here the deleted element is 45. Now if I delete it again, means 23 gone. Again delete, so it's 67 is also deleted. So now basically you know that this queue is empty. So what if I want to display it again? So it will show that your queue is empty. So see, queue is empty because right now all the three values which are inserted are now deleted. So if you want to just come out, you can press 4 and just press enter. So this was all about your queue using linked list. So thank you guys for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for further updates.